Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we have the paper pumpkin. This is the July 2024 Painted Petals paper pumpkin kit. It is coming in this beautiful keepsake box. It is so pretty. So we have a Stampin' Spot of gray granite. Here's our stamp set. We'll get a closer look at that with the image sheet. Let's see what we have in here. You know what? Before I open this and reveal it, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. So we have the Time for Cake paper pumpkin kit for August. This is going to make 9 cards and has a Night of Navy Stampin' Spot. It has coordinating dies, every celebration dies add-on. It coordinates with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. $12. The item number is 164991, and these are while supplies last. Link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Oh, and this August kit is going to have an extra paper stamp set, extra stamp set in the August paper pumpkin kit. Mystery boxes, $30 each, shipping included. New and used, all retired products stuffed into a medium flat rate USPS box. I can only sell and mail these in the United States. Email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested. Next, we have our July host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our bonus days promotion going on. When you spend $50, Stampin' Up! Is going to send you an email with a $5 coupon code. Those coupons can be redeemed in August. You can get as many coupons as you want. So the more you spend, the more you get for August to spend, okay? So every $50, $150 gets you 3 coupon codes. $155 is going to get you 3 coupon codes. So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get into this paper pumpkin kit. I'm loving this color tissue paper. Ooh, I'm looking, the envelopes are pretty. I see some splatter, I'm getting excited. Okay, let's cut this open. Be careful not to damage what's inside. I'm loving the colors. Oh, I've been working with these colors all week, haven't I? Let's see, I don't know exactly what colors these are, but it's in the family that I've been working with. Okay, so we gonna look at our instruction sheets first. Okay, here's the stamp set. The print. Hello, let's celebrate you. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You're simply the best, and friends like you make life beautiful. Then we have the little floral image. Oh, let me show you the dies. I have the dies for the July, August, and September paper pumpkin kit, and I haven't shown them. So I guess this is going to be cutting that flower out. We have hooray, and then this pretty leaf. Okay, these are the dies. We might play with those a little later. So that's the stamp set. Here's our instruction sheet. Look how beautiful those cards are going to be. Oh, and the envelopes are all different. This is wonderful. Okay. So we are going to figure out what we need for each card. So let's get started and see what we have here. So we have our envelopes. And I'm sure there's 3 of each. Yes. Oh, yeah, 3. So this one has like the melon mambo. You know what? Let me stop. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Let's go over the coordinating colors. They are Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gray Granite, Old Olive, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Peach Pie, and Pretty in Pink. So I have been working with these colors. So this is the Melon Mambo. That is so gorgeous. This looks like the Calypso Coral. Woo. And this one, this is looks like Peach Pie in there with a little bit of Petal Pink and the Gray Granite. Mossy Meadow. These are pretty envelopes. Let's see. Okay, so the decoration does go all the way down the front side, but you don't want to lose that unless you use that side. I think I'm going to keep my envelopes. So let's see what we have for card bases. So this is the first one. Gorgeous. Now, I would cut this because there's the inside of the envelope. That's the first one. And they're kind of muted, like if they had a vellum laid over it. Look at that one. Gorgeous. Where's the third one? Here's the third one. Look at that. These cards are so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's hurting me. It's so pretty. Okay. So let's go ahead and fold these in half. I'll burnish them in a minute when we get ready. So for this one, we're going to need one of these little labels here. And then we're going to need this one for that. Then a green one for this one. So that's from that sheet. From here, oh my, are these look like sentiment labels. Oy. Okay, so we're gonna need this. Looks like this one is going here. We have this one here for our second card. And the last card is gonna get one of these. No, it's gonna get this one. So where does this one come in? That's different. Okay, we'll see in a minute. I'm gonna pop it out just in case. Look at this. Uh-oh. One of mine fell out. Let me get another sheet. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. This kit. Oh my. They outdone themselves with this. I am so excited. Okay. That is it. Those are all of our pieces. Okay, let me take a closer look because there's missing. I don't know what this one is for, but it's on here, but it's not on here. Okay, so we also have some sequins in here. Looks like some sequins. There you go. Some dimensionals, and these are like adhesive strips, kind of like tearing tape, I guess. Okay, so the stamps we're gonna need. We are going to need I'm So Lucky to Have You. Let's Celebrate You. Friends Like You Make Life Beautiful. Oh, so this one we're not using on the kit, the You're Simply the Best, but that other little cutout, that's what that fits in. Isn't that something? Okay. And I don't see that we're stamping the flower either. Okay, so that's it. That's it. So let me get some blocks. Now your paper pumpkin kits come with 1D block. It's not the same as our ergonomically designed blocks, but they are the same size as our D block. These are C because they're big enough for what I need. So let's go ahead and put these pieces inside these cards here so that we can use them when we get to them. And we'll start on this one. So let me get my bone folder, burnish this down. You guys know I use a full-size ink stamp pad instead of the ink spot. So we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment in here. And this one says, I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Oh my goodness. Hopefully I won't get my head in here, but I'm gonna have to get close so I can see what I'm doing. Oh gosh, that is so cute. Such an awesome idea. Okay. So what are we doing? We're gonna take this. I guess I should go to project number 1. So we stamped it. We're gonna take this, turn it over, and put some dimensionals on here. So we have one under there, one here, and one down here. Then we're going to take our sentiment, turn it over, and we're going to put one on this end right there. Then we're going to take our little mango melon mambo little strip there, and we're going to put one of these on there like that. And now let's put it together. So it says to take this and put it about right here like that. I'm going to take the backings off of our dimensionals. And we're going to put this about right there. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Then our sentiment. Oh, it's telling us to put one more dimensional, but they didn't want us to put it on. It goes right there. So they had us put it on the sentiment on this side because they know it's going to be free. But on this side, they wanted you to put it on the card so that you won't get it in the wrong spot. So we're going to just add this on here. Like so. Like that. And that is the first card done. Let's put some sequins on here. Let's get our sequins. So we're going to get 2 big ones, I say. Put one in here. No, one right there. Where did they put that third one? I don't know. So I'm just going to put mine right there. Okay, you guys, my video stopped recording. I don't know what happened, but all the cards were put together the same. These are the 3 cards for our paper pumpkin kit. This July 2024 paper pumpkin kit is awesome. I can't wait to do some alternatives using the back side. But that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.